can of course also insert doors in the 3D view. In fact, after selecting the door object from the drawing menu, you can click on the building envelope entity inside which you want to insert the door. We can freely position the door by simply moving it around, with dynamic updates of all measurements and distances from the side and from the reference plane. Once the correct position is identified, a second click fixes the object in place. The door's position from the reference plane can also be defined by a keyboard value input. As always, even after insertion, we can select the measurement to edit and enter a new value. The door is repositioned dynamically.